Hi guys, so this is a do-it-yourself box. I made it out of shells and pearls and some yarn, and it's actually not finished yet. Soon to be finished. And here's how it looks like inside of it, and I'm not done yet. So you could see here is some rings, jewelry that I made. Turquoise, red coral heart. Can you see it? And here's a rose quartz. Just some fun items that I already put in there. But as you could see, I'm not done and I have to finish it. It's gonna be a little shell jewelry treasure box, a little mermaid box. It's coming all right. Let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and comment and let me know if you like it or not. Okay, thank you.